Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and I am so excited that you're here today because I'm going to share one of the best kept secrets in real estate that there is. I'm going to go through today why you should be selling your house at the holidays because of course I can't tell you it's the best kept secret, not tell you why. So I've got to tell you why it's true, and I'll give you some really great tips on what you should do to make extra money on your home during the holidays. Let's start with why you should be listing your house during the holidays rather than the spring and the summer. If you think about it, if everybody thinks they're supposed to list their house in the spring and the summer, what happens during the holidays? What happens during the rest of the year? Nobody's listing their house. And the crazy thing is that people still need to move all year long. So what this does is it creates a buzz during these other times of year, particularly the holidays, because a lot of people have time off during the holidays and they will purposely try to coordinate things to work out to where they can be in their new home before maybe Christmas, Hanukkah, and all these end of the year holidays. So people want to move, they want to buy your house. There's hardly any listings. So what does that do? That means that the buyers are competing to get your listing. And I love when people compete because that means more money in your pocket. Now, of course, springtime is a beautiful time of year to list your house. And if that's when you need to list your house, you'll be fine. However, if you really want to get a little bit of a leg up and you're thinking about moving sometime soon, go ahead and list your house during the holidays because people really are moving. People get transferred for their jobs. People are retired. There are a million reasons why people do not base everything off of the school schedule for moving. Now, the thing is that a lot of people do try to move around the kids' schedule. So this is crazy, right? There's all these reasons why people are moving. So some people move just because they need to move. Some people move because it is the holidays and they want to get in the house before the holidays hit. And they want to be in that house, maybe even for Christmas morning. For some people, they want to actually give a house as a Christmas gift. Oh, can you even imagine? Like, how do you ever top that, really? I mean, how do you ever top that? That would be just the most amazing gift you could ever give. In fact, one of you guys wrote in, I had put it on my Instagram, why not give the gift of a home for the holidays? And somebody wrote in and said that one of her friends, that the husband actually did that. And he had hid the key in a coat that he gave her. And the key to the house was in the coat. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is the sweetest thing. Oh my God. Oh, amazing, amazing. So if I haven't convinced you yet, people are moving during this time of year and there just aren't enough listings. We have buyers who are competing right now. There's multiple offers on homes because there just isn't enough inventory. And we have buyers who are paying the difference on the listing. So we know what the appraised value is, and they are willing to write into the contract that they are going to pay above the appraisal, whatever it is, out of their own pocket, because so often what happens is that it is cheaper for them to pay the difference between the appraisal than to have to wait 6 months, to have to move twice. There are so many reasons why people do not want to have to wait 6 months to a year to get into their house. They need to move right now. So they're willing to pay extra. Anytime people are willing to pay extra, that is good news for you as the seller. Absolutely good news. So it's a super, super good time of year to go ahead, list your house, let people compete for you, let people get in their home for the holidays. It's an amazing time of year to list your home. Now, some of the other reasons that people are afraid to list their homes during the winter months is that they are afraid that the home won't show as well. And I am here to tell you, this is the secret here, okay? Your home looks its best at the holidays. I kind of go about this in a certain way because some people are the type of people that dress the house up for the holidays and they put all of the inflatables out in the yard and there's lights everywhere and there's crazy stuff. It's just Christmas has vomited all over the house. I recommend avoiding that because not everybody is going to celebrate Christmas, first of all. Not everybody is going to be into the inflatables. So it's best to try to find neutral ground and decorate mostly for the winter. Use natural materials, use things from nature as your inspiration. I've actually posted other videos and I'll link back to them. I've done in room makeovers that are based on winter months. They're not based on a specific holiday. And this is great because if you don't decorate for Christmas at all, you can still make your house feel super cozy. Some of the great ways to do that are to bring in greenery from outdoors, bring in some of those evergreens and pines, and you don't have to have a Christmas tree. You can just have some pine branches in a vase. There's just easy ways to go about this. Rosemary is another plant that is really great at this time of year. It looks absolutely gorgeous sitting out on the counter. It looks great sitting in the family room. You can use it outdoors. It's just an absolutely gorgeous plant that actually is in season. There's all kinds of options. Buyers absolutely love coming into a cozy home. And this is why this is such a great time of year to list your home. It's because if you go about this where you're just gonna really just infuse the most cozy feeling into your home, it's the holidays. It's this time of year when we really just hunker down and really get cozy. So it's an ideal time to throw a chunky knit throw over the sofa, add some velvet pillows to your sofa, just really amp up that cozy vibe. Bring some baskets into the room, maybe some firewood by the fireplace, especially if you have a wood burning fireplace. That's a huge selling feature during this time of year. I always have the fireplace going. And in fact, I even take pictures of the fire going in those real estate photos because it looks amazing. So I don't necessarily go overboard with all of the decorations. You can definitely put a tree up. You really can. It's okay. I think that most people realize that at this time of year, there's going to be a lot of people that will put up a tree. Just make sure not to just, pack the house out with a ton of stuff. You really should actually refer back to my other staging video. I'll make sure to leave a link for you guys. That really talks about how to keep your areas clear and uncluttered and not have too much stuff, and that definitely still applies at this time of year. Some of the other things that you can do are add fragrance. This is a great time of year. I have so many candles that I just absolutely love. My favorites are anything that smell like wood burning. They smell like cedar or pine. If you're able to have a fire burning, if if you're gonna be there and the agent's coming right afterwards with the client, that you can have the fire going and maybe some candles and just have every light on in the house and make it very warm. Definitely turn on all your lamps. Just really amp up your cozy factor because people just love that sense of home. If you don't want to put up a Christmas tree, if you don't celebrate any of the holidays at this time of year, that is totally fine. I still recommend that you definitely put out, again, those blankets, those pillows, the scents. Go ahead and think about putting out some cookies. You don't have to be celebrating the holiday to make people feel at home in your home. And I also recommend, just bringing in some of the branches from outdoors and use those tips and tricks to make your house feel really cozy, even if you don't have a Christmas tree. One of the final things that you want to do to make sure that you make the most money on your listing during the holidays is to really analyze the outside of your home. This is one of the reasons that most people think that listing their house during the spring and summer is best. But the truth is that you can make your house look amazing. Even though your grass may be brown, because obviously it's wintertime, that doesn't matter. You can still make your house look absolutely amazing. It's a great time to hang a really pretty wreath on your front door, maybe add some new plants to the porch. Make sure that everything's trimmed. And I know for me, just being honest, half the time I go out in my backyard and I'm like, ooh, the leaves needed to be blown out of the beds and I've got a few dead plants. So I'm just gonna go around the house and really just analyze what really needs to be done so that it just looks festive and cozy. And this is the kind of house that you can enjoy year round. If you can give buyers that sense and they walk in that door and you paint this picture of the most magical holiday home on the planet, they are going to come in hordes to buy your home. They really will, because people love, I would say that actually one of the number one things that sells a home is that feeling of coziness. People want to live in a home. I hope that you've enjoyed these tips and tricks, and you guys let me know, have I convinced you that the holidays is actually a fantastic time to list your home? I think it is. So I hope these tips and tricks will really help you get your home ready and to be able to sell during the holidays, and it will keep you from being afraid to go ahead and list if you're ready to move as well. And maybe you got a job transfer and you need to move. So maybe you're one of those people and you're afraid that this is the worst time of year possible to list your house, and it's just not true. It's actually fantastic. You can actually make great money and be well on your way to your home as well. So be sure to check us out at houseofvalentina.com. Hit the subscribe button. We are getting ready to launch our 25 Days of Christmas video series. I am partnering with some of the most amazing people, my friends, my family, my business associates. I mean, it's just gonna be so much fun getting to share all different kinds of inspiration for this holiday season. I think that you'll absolutely love it. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that when you log on to YouTube, you'll see our videos pop up. And of course, as always, visit us at Instagram. We update there daily on 2 accounts, Valentina Fussell and the House of Valentina. And we just love to be able to be in touch with you as much as we can. So it's just a really great way to be able to do that. So thank you again for joining us, and we will see you very soon. Bye.